Welcome back, everyone. With today's video, we're going to be discussing how to film for YouTube using your cell phone. So the reason why your screen might be showing blank dark space between your video and just like the horizontal line is because when you hold out your phone like this, which I know seems really natural, you pull out your phone and you just don't really think about it, and this just seems like a natural way to record. But this is really only used to upload to YouTube Shorts. So if you're going to be filming for YouTube Shorts a minute or less, you're going to want to film your footage like this, which is in portrait mode. If you're wanting to upload over a minute to YouTube, when you click on upload video to YouTube, you're going to want to hold your phone like this horizontally. And that's going to fill out the rest of your phone on the left and right. All that blank space will be actually what your the full screen body of your video when you're uploading to YouTube. So if you're filming to YouTube Shorts, film it like this. If you're uploading a video this way, that's going to fill it out. This is going to film it in horizontal landscape mode. So again, film it like this if you're wanting to film vertically to those dimensions, and landscape mode horizontally to YouTube videos when you're going to upload. That way you don't have to edit in the same footage to your video on the left and right. And today we'll be going out on one of my long runs before my marathon prep. So got the, as you can see, got the runner socks on. Happy Halloween and peace out, Pineapple Leaf. Thank you for tuning in to Broccoli, giving me your time. There's two ways to film on your phone if you're filming and uploading to YouTube. There's portrait mode, which is going to be used to upload to YouTube Shorts. For those dimensions, portrait mode is when you hold your phone out straight up like this vertically. It seems to be a pretty natural way to film in general. You kind of pull out your phone and you don't really think about it. But if you're trying to make like longer than 1 minute videos that aren't going to be uploaded to YouTube Shorts, you're going to want to do it. You're going to want to film in landscape mode.
If you try to upload your vertical footage to horizontal settings on YouTube, it's not going to occupy the whole space.
This will fill out your screen horizontally to fill up the entire full screen for longer videos, because the dimensions for YouTube Shorts are naturally going to be portrait mode. So if you film like this and upload it to YouTube Shorts, like a video that's filmed in landscape mode, you're going to have, it's going to show black on the top and bottom of the video. And if you vice versa film like this the whole time and upload it to YouTube videos, it's gonna have blank black screen on the left and right. You can fill those in on YouTube with like video editors to occupy that space. Videos that you're uploading to YouTube videos, not Shorts, film in landscape. If you're wanting to make shorter videos to YouTube Shorts, the dimensions are going to be portrait mode. That is it. Happy Halloween and peace out, Pineapple Leaf. I'm going to go on a bike ride going to Mount Veeder today, so I'll put that at the end of the video.